here.
So that's the tower garden.
Okay.
Oh,
I think this is seeds, right? Is this seeds? I'll leave that in there.
So that goes right on top.
Okay.
And then each of these sections, they stack on top just like Legos.
Right, okay.
So what we'll do is we'll set these aside because we want to put poles in there first.
Okay. Be
Like a
careful,
box
because these
inside
are
a
the
box.
lights.
Oh, are
So
they?
you're going to be careful.
That's why someone's taping.
Here, I would-
You're
here.
using the wrong end of the
This
scissors.
is right now.
I would set it down.
I do have my,
Oh, yeah.
here, lay it this way. Oh yeah, you're opening the bottom, Logan.
And I would just open
Yeah, there we go.
here.
Alright.
That's it.
And then, so I'd love to talk more. I saw the lesson plans. Connie sent it to me.
Yeah.
So I was gonna try to be printing those things out.
Okay. And I can, we don't need those tonight,
Right.
but I can show you how to do that later.
And then, I have to get guest speakers approved. So I will work towards that.
And I can
Whenever
do
it
them
comes up
online
in-
too.
And online? Okay.
Yeah, I do a lot of schools
Yeah.
online.
Do you have like a business card or anything like that?
I do.
A brochure? Okay.
Yeah.
So that would help me to present it.
Okay.
Because I think this is a great tool.
Yeah.
For the class and the students and all that stuff. And I would like to do it justice,
Sure.
you know?
Yeah.
So, alright, if you need these, or do you want Logan to help? Maybe you should
Yeah, if you want, you can.
help out and see what's going on here for me. And I just
So-
gotta print a couple things real quick.
So we've got solutions. This is A and B, so that's what the plants are gonna eat. And you got some more bottles here. That's to go up and down. Do you go to school here?
Yeah, I do.
Cool. So you'll be the point man on this. This is a shower cap, so it goes on top of the top one. And these are the little screws that we're gonna need. So we're gonna empty those out. Got all the grow kit. So that's all your seedlings. Got a pump and a timer. And then these are caps to go on everything. And then the instructions. Instructions are super easy. So empty basin, super light. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take this guy here first. There's A's and B's. There's little holes in there. Okay? So we're gonna find the A. We're gonna put this in the A. And then on the back side of it, take out a little washer and a wing nut. Okay? And the washer and the wing nut. See this here? So I put the washer on and then wing nut and tighten it down. We're gonna do the same thing with the other one. Okay? Can you do the other one there by yourself?
Yeah.
Should be opposite.
All the inside holes?
On the inside hole where it says A there.
Okay.
So you find the A there. Right there. Just tighten that sucker down. Perfect. Okay, so set that up right. And then we'll slide this guy. There's A's and then B's. So this is the A. The B is right there. Do you see it?
Yeah.
So that B right here. Goes right there. And opposite. There's the B. Slides down. You see these teeth? They slide right on there just like Legos. They fit.
Okay.
So I'll use the next one. There's A. and then I'll do the B one. S.
This is it.
Okay, and then A on top of there. Perfect. Now, if we had an extension, we can put the extension on. We don't, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the cap on. So this cap here, same thing. That was A's. Look at the B's. So that goes right here. This is on top. And then if this is going outside, which you may wheel it outside at one point, then we just put the cap on. So leaves and stuff don't get in, okay? But we're gonna put the lights on so we can keep the cap off. Take these guys here. I'll give you one wing nut. You're on that side, I'm on this side here. Position the poles in there so each of the stacks stays on. That water is going to be pumped up through the center of this center column in the top, and then trickle down over the roots and pour right over top each of the plants. So that's what the rock wool is for. And eventually, so we got seeds will go into the rock wool, into the grow kit. And then seeds in there, covered up with a little bit of this vermiculite so the seeds stay in. And once you get seedlings that are about 2 to 3 inches, then we're gonna pop them into these little, so this is a net pot. Oops. So you take your finger, push it down on the top, like that, and then you slide it in just like this.
Oh.
So you can take each one of those, finger in, and like that. Okay. Good. So you can lift that sucker up. Let's put it right on top of the base here. And now we'll do the dolly. So the dolly. Wheels. Too, but on the bottom, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, those holes right there. So these just go, oh sorry, these on these.
Oh.
There you go. 2, 3.
I've seen this more. I've seen this more than I've seen this.
5. And these are the screws. So every single other part of the tower garden, you don't need any tools. This we can put in ourselves using our fingers, but it might be helpful to take a wrench and tighten those down tomorrow. Screw those guys in as tight as you can, hand-wise. Do you guys have basic tools like a wrench or a socket wrench? So that socket wrench is a 3/8.
Okay.
So we can just put those in to start, and then we can wrench those down later.
Might want to go find one now.
Yeah. Yeah, these are a little tight.
I'll go find one maybe.
Maybe something around here. Lights. So for the lights, there's 4 blades. 1, 2, 3, and 4. With the instructions. Timer on top. So what I'm going to do slide this sucker right on top here. Sorry, upside down. So, upside down like this. Down. Down. This goes over the top. Each of the blades. Sleeve. Light goes on the inside. Let's connect little leads. Love these lights because you're able to adjust them. Super flexible.
And not find a wrench.
The wrench?
But this is 3/8. It's probably not gonna work.
Yeah, and we don't necessarily need the dolly tonight. But you understand, so will you be here tomorrow as well?
I don't think so.
Okay. I mean, if you have a custodian here, they definitely have one.
I didn't think that was gonna work.
All right. So. Snap that. Slip this guy in.
Can you go fill me up with water? You can get it from next door.
Teaching her imaginary cats and dogs.
Alright. And then this piece to go on the side, keep the wire. Protect the wire there. Okay, so on the bottom, we're gonna go ahead and put the pump in. This guy up. And on the bottom, we're gonna reconnect the blue tube. So there's a blue tube. This guy here. On the bottom here. On the pump. The other end screws onto the pump. These little guys are feet for the pump, suction cups. 4 of them. They go on the bottom just like this. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'll lift this guy back up. The pump goes inside. Can you throw that pump in there? And on the back side of the basin, there's a little hole. So on that hole, we're going to take the pump cord and throw the cord through that hole. And then we're going to tie a little knot. That knot is called a drip knot. So if any water comes out, then it'll drip before going into the socket. This leads into the timer. The timer has 1 button, and that button goes from 1 to 0 back to 1 to 0. The 1 is actually an I for indoor setting, and the 0 is an O for outdoor. Since you guys will be growing with the lights inside during the school year, then you just want to set it on an I. It's got 2 sockets, so you can plug in 2 tower gardens. That goes into the wall. This goes into the wall as
Oh,
well.
it's gonna be downstairs.
Not into the socket, not into the
Did I
timer.
find a
Because it
600
has its
up
own
here?
timer. So timer on the lights, 14 hours a day. It tricks the planets into thinking it's summer all year round, 14 hours a day. This is going to set the pump to go turn on about every 4 minutes, 3 minutes, and then 12 minutes off. And that's it.